to the leader of the Taliban, Mawali Hibatullah Akhndzaده, and the leader of the Haqqani network, Sirajuddin Haqqani. I plead to you, in the name of Allah, to show mercy to Mark R. Fieryks of Lombard, Illinois, who you kidnapped from Khost province earlier this week. I know that your soldiers respect the teachings of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the Holy Quran, but I also know that at times the situation is very difficult and dangerous. I know that your own soldiers have been treated brutally in the prisons, and this is inhumane and shameful behavior by those who detain them. I ask you to show the world that you are men of Islam, and as such you know the rights dictated by your faith towards the treatment of captives. I will pray for Mark's safety, just as I pray for the safety of the guards who are holding him. I will pray for his family. I will continue to pray for peace and ask all people to support the ongoing negotiations in Qatar. Thank you for your time.